Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at one of Bollywood's rising stars, Tara Sutaria, and her fashion choices. Recently, the Bollywood star embraced the trend of leather outfits with open arms, donning a stunning all-black leather ensemble that blew our minds. The outfit consisted of straight-fit leather pants paired with a black strappy crop top, accentuated by a full-sleeved leather jacket that added even more edginess to the look. To complete the ensemble, Tara chose a pair of black pointed heels and gold stud earrings. She left her hair loose and opted for minimal nude makeup, allowing the outfit to truly stand out. The cover of the magazine features Tara in a daring top and waist-high slit skirt, while other photos from the shoot show the actress getting even bolder with her fashion choices. Fans couldn't get enough of Tara's toned figure and stunning looks, with one picture showing her in a tiny string bikini top and sarong, revealing her gorgeous legs. Another photo showcases Tara in a revealing string tie top and matching underwear, exuding confidence. The actress also stuns in a green printed outfit with wavy hair and chunky earrings, displaying a perfect summer look. In another shot, Tara dons a navel-bearing dress, while another features her in a cleavage-bearing top and high-slit skirt, all of which highlight her sultry and hot looks. Tara's beach-ready cover-up, featuring a turquoise green shade, gold leaf pattern, ribbon tie detail embellished with seashells, open front, full-length below sleeves, plunging neckline, and short hem length, completes her stunning looks. She paired the silk satin cover-up with a matching bikini top and low-waisted bottoms, accessorizing with dangling earrings and statement rings. Debbu Ratnani is renowned for his creative photography of Bollywood stars every year for his highly coveted calendar series. He introduced Tara Sutaria in his calendar photoshoot. In the recently unveiled calendar, Tara can be seen posing in an oversized white shirt and brown boots, with minimal makeup and her hair left loose. Debbu Ratnani's calendar shoots are highly anticipated in Bollywood, and his photos featuring celebrities in steamy and alluring poses often go viral within minutes of their release. The calendar is titled The Mirror, as mirror work is a signature embellishment across Apata's garments. Tara Sutaria also joined in with a mirror work outfit of her own, wearing a pastel-colored lehenga skirt and matching dupatta. She paired it with a delicately embellished blouse featuring strap details, completing the stunning ensemble. Her hair was left loose as she posed at the sea with sunlight sweeping in, adding a touch of ethnic glam to the shoot. Tara Sutaria's effortless beauty extends beyond just her fashion choices. She looks stunning in her midi dresses and monochrome lehengas. Recently, in a video, she donned a mirror bralette with a matching cover-up draped over her shoulders. She paired this with high-waisted blue denim shorts and chunky brown boots, and yet her makeup was the star of the show. Tara opted for brown-toned halo eyes with defined brows, complemented by a glossy neutral-toned lip and heavily bronzed cheeks. Her blonde highlighted hair was parted in the center and left to flow straight down the sides. Her latest outfit is no exception. The stunning actress donned a chocolate brown mini dress that is simply mesmerizing. The attire boasts a daring form with a deep sweetheart neckline, supported by horizontal straps across the shoulders. Despite its monochromatic color, the outfit is anything but dull, and it effortlessly catches the eye. She complemented her dress with earthy toned makeup and a sleek handbag, and kept her hair mid-parted and flowing freely. This isn't the first time that Tara has left fashion lovers in awe. Just recently, she put her spin on the classic little black dress, sporting a ruched mini dress with ruffled patterns at the neckline and hemline, which she paired with striking red and black stilettos. Tara Sutaria has proven time and again that she knows how to make a statement. Whether she's walking down the hallways of movie studios or strutting down the runway, she exudes an effortless elegance. Recently, she turned heads at the Bombay Times Fashion Week, where she walked for designer Dolly J in a stunning golden bodycon gown. The halter-neck gown featured a plunging neckline, crisscross backless design, and a signature thigh-high slit, all of which added to the gown's allure. She paired the heavily embellished gown with metallic makeup and wore her voluminous locks in loose, soft curls. Whether it's on the ramp or at movie promotions, Tara Sutaria knows how to bring the glamour and make a lasting impression. The actress, this time with a stunning red sari. The actress chose a flowing red chiffon sari with a delicate lace border and paired it with a full-sleeved red lace blouse. Tara's well-toned figure was perfectly accentuated by the drape of the sari. Adding a touch of sparkle to the all-red ensemble, she opted for golden earrings with green studs and paired it with red mojaris. The traditional attire was perfectly complemented with a neat bun, kohl-rimmed eyes, and a dewy makeup look with a nude matte lip tint. The actress looked every bit the diva that she is, and her classic look is truly praiseworthy. In a stunning aqua puneet balana lehenga, she effortlessly showcases a lightweight yet stylish design with subtle pops of color. The colorful embroidery on the lehenga adds to its fun vibe, but it is the gorgeous halter neck style of the blouse that really steals the show. Her signature makeup and minimal wavy hairstyle parted to the side complete the look. The Meenakari earrings and bracelet beautifully complement her attire, making it a perfect outfit for any Sundona wedding function. Tara Sutaria's boho chic looks are always a hit, but her latest ultra-luxe yet refined appearance has stolen our hearts. Every look she sports has a unique personal touch, and her recent walk for designer Rizam Dadu was no exception. The actress was spotted in a stunning ensemble, comprising a classic black and white combination that added a touch of elegance. Tara combined an exquisite black bralette with a stunning lehenga skirt in white and black hues. The gorgeous skirt featured stunning feather detailing that stole the show. She kept her glam and jewelry look minimal, letting her outfit speak for itself. The actress has shared a new look on social media that is bound to make heads turn. She's wearing cream harem pants with a shimmery golden blouse, but what really catches the eye is the stunning golden cape with fringes. The sleeves of the cape have a unique cut design, making it the standout piece of her ensemble. Tara has accessorized with a golden choker set and a ring, and her makeup consists of sparkly eyeshadow and a glossy nude lip color. Her hair has been styled in delicate curls, and she's completed the look with golden jewelry. Tara Sutaria's modern bridal looks are absolutely stunning, each one with its unique element that complements her beauty perfectly. In the first outfit, she dons a pastel-hued ensemble featuring intricate lacework and sequins, with a plunging neckline that lets go of the traditional bridal colors of red and crimson. Her stunning nude shade adds to her drop-dead gorgeous look. She pairs a multicolor organza skirt from Tarun Tahiliani's collection with a printed blouse and dupatta. Tara adds bling to her look with a chunky emerald and gem-studded neckpiece, earrings, and golden bracelets. Her minimalistic makeup, smoldering eyes, and messy curls steal the show. For the second look, the actress goes all out with a bright and pastel-embellished chikankari lehenga from Tarun Tahiliani's latest bridal collection. In the pictures, she can be seen assing a boat-neck blouse with a plunging neckline and barely there straps. The blouse features multicolor hues adorned with pastel pink and green lehenga with chikankari work and Jamaivar Kashida border all over. Tara keeps the overall look quite cool and chic with her charming attitude. She goes for a subtle, minimal makeup look with soft kohl-lashed eyes, blushed cheeks, lots of highlighter, and nude lips. Keeping her wavy hair all open, she pairs the outfit with a pair of earrings and golden embedded bracelets, adding to the beauty of her attire. The Elle India features the actress as its digital cover star. From ethnic to western to fusion wear, she has always nailed the couture game. For the festive season, she adorns a stunning Sheila Chatur embellished lehenga that makes her look majestic. She pairs the ethnic attire with a heavy statement necklace, bangles, and rings. What's striking about her is not just her long, lean brows but also her disarming honesty and curious charm. Tara breaks the norms of traditional Indian wear by opting for regal pastel hues, which make her look drop-dead gorgeous. To add more glamour to her looks, she accessorizes them with statement chokers, earrings, heavy neck pieces with intricate gem work, gold bangles, and chunky rings. She also adds a modern twist to her traditional looks by sporting watches. She completes her vintage looks with nude lips, rosy cheeks, and messy hairdos that add an element of drama to her appearance. Tara is a pro at incorporating maximalist fashion into her elegant wardrobe. With confidence and style, she shows us how to achieve the perfect balance in heavy outfits. Glamour and glitter are her strong suits, and we are taking notes from her ethnic ensembles. Recently, she stunned in a sparkling blue lehenga from Gaurav Gupta's bridal couture collection. Ornate floral designs, along with peacock motifs made of golden fabric, adorned the lehenga. The blouse, featuring a plunging neckline and raglan sleeves, was embellished with golden and silver threads. To complete her look, Tara draped a mesh dupatta with similar embroidery and zari work over her shoulders. The actress effortlessly dazzles with her fashion choices, be it a trendy or traditional Indian look. She recently walked the ramp for designer Aisha Rao at FDCI Lakme Fashion Week and stunned in a floral-themed lehenga with a modern twist. The outfit was elevated by the midriff-bearing blouse, which had a sweetheart neckline, full sleeves, and off-shoulder detailing. Tara completed the look with a statement neckpiece and her signature smoky eyes, contoured cheeks, and glossy lips. She also wore a lehenga set from Aisha Rao's latest collection, featuring intricate floral motif embroidery and Gotapati work perfect for a spring or winter wedding. She accessorized with high heels, a statement neckpiece, and a net embroidered veil on her open locks. Her glamorous makeup included smoky eyeshadow, nude lips, mascara on the lashes, winged eyeliner, and glowing skin. This ensemble is a great source of inspiration for brides looking to experiment with their wedding attire. The actress exudes royalty in her choice of the most exquisite lehengas, and she looks nothing short of resplendent on the cover of the magazine, wearing a Jade by MK embellished piece. The costume comprises a layered kasab skirt with scalloped borders, delicate lace embroidery that gives it a distressed, vintage look, and a bodice that provides a striking contrast with its contemporary aesthetic accentuated by fabric work, organza, and macrame accents. She complemented her outfit with smoky eyes, a chiseled face, and accentuated cheekbones, and adorned her outfit with a silver choker and rings. Her dark locks were styled in delicate, bouncy curls, which perfectly framed her face, and her overall appearance was stunningly beautiful, gracing the magazine cover with grace and poise. Tara showcased her ethnic style once again, this time in a stunning deep red contemporary lehenga. The outfit consisted of a beaded blouse with a sweetheart neckline and thin straps, paired with a flowy lehenga skirt with pleats. She draped a matching dupatta with beaded detailing around her neck and back. Tara accessorized her look with heavy jhumka earrings featuring green stones and pearl drops. She kept her straight hair parted in the middle and opted for a neutral eye makeup look with a rosy blush on her cheeks and a glossy nude lip. Tara shared a picture from a recent photoshoot, where she looked stunning in a mauve-colored lehenga set adorned with intricate embroidery. Her traditional outfit is a must-have for every bridesmaid's wedding wardrobe during the fall season. The cropped blouse of Tara's ensemble features half-length sleeves, beaded tassels on the waist and sleeve cuffs, a wide plunging V neckline, and a short asymmetrical hem that showcases her toned midriff. The matching mauve velvet lehenga has silver embroidery and embellishments, with a layered align ghera, flow grazing hem length, high-rise waist, and broad patti work on the borders. She combined the lehenga choli with a zari dupatta embellished with ornaments, featuring tassels at both ends and patti borders. She accessorized her look with a stunning choker necklace, matching bracelet, statement rings, and jhumkis. The perfect finishing touches were added by Tara's sleek center parted bun decorated with a floral gajra. She also wore subtle smoky eyeshadow, kohl-lined eyes, a glossy pink lip shade, and a radiant highlighter. Her cheeks were blushed and her contours were sharp, creating a glowing skin effect. Her outfit exuded royalty, and the whimsical embroidery on her blouse added a fairy tale-like touch to her look. Tara Sutaria's exquisite lehenga ensembles transport us to a magical ethnic realm, where she reigns as a stunning princess. Her affinity for white lehengas is particularly noteworthy, as they seem to complement her radiant beauty perfectly. Recently, she donned an ethereal ensemble designed by Anita Dongre for a jewelry shoot, along with diamond jewelry to elevate the look. With her hair styled in a sleek bun and her makeup kept in her signature classic style, she exuded elegance reminiscent of summery days. With her undeniable star power, Tara embodies a true ethnic princess. Tara's style can be described as classic with a modern twist. She often opts for elegant silhouettes that flatter her figure, but adds a touch of edginess to her outfits through statement accessories or unique details. One of my favorite looks of hers was when she wore a black gown with a thigh-high slit and a feathered collar to an awards show. The dress was simple yet dramatic, and it really showcased Tara's confidence and style. Another trend that Tara has been rocking lately is the oversized blazer. She wears it with everything from jeans to dresses and makes it look effortlessly chic. She's also been experimenting with bold prints and colors. One of my favorite looks was when she wore a vibrant yellow dress with ruffled sleeves to a promotional event. The color looked stunning on her and the dress had a playful vibe that suited her personality. Another thing I love about Tara's style is that she often supports sustainable and ethical fashion. She's been seen wearing outfits from brands that use eco-friendly fabrics and have fair trade practices. It's great to see a celebrity using their platform to promote sustainable fashion. One of the things that stands out about her fashion choices is the way she accessorizes. Whether it's a statement necklace or a bold pair of earrings, she knows how to elevate her outfit with the right accessories. Another key element of Tara's style is her love for high-waisted pants and skirts. She often pairs them with crop tops or tucked-in blouses, creating a flattering and trendy silhouette. And finally, we can't talk about Tara's fashion choices without mentioning her impeccable red carpet looks. From elegant gowns to modern jumpsuits, Tara always manages to make a statement on the red carpet. She's often seen wearing stunning saris and lehengas that showcase her heritage and culture. One of my favorite looks was when she wore a beautiful ivory and gold sari with intricate embroidery to a wedding. It was simple yet elegant, and the gold jewelry complemented the outfit perfectly, and she often wears delicate pieces that add a touch of femininity to her outfits. From layered necklaces to dainty rings, her jewelry always complements her outfits without overpowering them. Tara loves to accessorize, with statement jewelry being a key feature of her style. She also has a love for high-waisted pants and skirts, and traditional Indian wear such as saris and lehengas. And let's not forget her impeccable red carpet looks. And one final note about Tara's fashion choices, she often keeps her makeup simple and natural, letting her outfits and accessories take center stage. She usually goes for a fresh-faced look with minimal eye makeup and a nude lip, which complements her outfits perfectly. She shared some stunning photos that left us mesmerized. She went for a chic look with a cream corset top and loose-fitting pants. The strapless top has intricate lace detailing in contrasting black, while the boots added a touch of flair to her overall appearance. She completed the look with just a pair of hoop earrings, and opted for a natural, nude-toned makeup. Her curly hair was styled to perfection, adding an extra edge to her fashion statement. Overall, Tara's fashion choices are inspiring and unique. She's not afraid to take risks and experiment with different styles, yet she always looks elegant and put together. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.